Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. The subject of this video is Indian polity and the constitution. Let's get started. First question. President of India is elected by whom? The president is elected by the member of an electoral college consisting of the elected members of both houses of parliament and the elected members of the legislative assemblies of states and the union territories of Delhi and Pondicherry. Question number 2. The president can be impeached on the grounds of violating the constitution by whom? The right answer is the Parliament of India. Question number 3. The President of India has the same constitutional authority as the friends, we are sorry, we forget to give options. Please listen. The options are British monarch, President of USA, or President of Egypt, or President of USSR. The right answer is British monarch. Question number 4. Which institution publish Energy Transition Index? The answer is World Economic Forum publish Energy Transition Index. Question number 5. Why joint sitting of the two houses of Indian Parliament are held? The answer is considered and press a bill on which the two houses disagree. As per Article 108 of the Constitution, a joint session of Parliament can be summoned in the following situations. If, after a bill has been passed by one house and submitted to the other house, and the bill is rejected by the other house, or the houses have finally disagreed as to the amendments to be made in the bill, or more than 6 months elapse from the date of the reception of the bill by the other house without the bill being passed by it. Question number 6. Who was the President of India was associated with trade union movement? The answer is V.V. Giri. V.V. Giri was the President of India was associated with the trade union movement. Question number 7. Who nominates the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of Indian Parliament? The answer is the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 8. The tenure of which Lok Sabha was about 6 years? The answer is 5th Lok Sabha. Question number 9. The form of oath of office for a minister for the Union of India is enshrined in the which schedule? The answer is 3rd schedule. The form of oath of office for a minister for the Union of India is enshrined in the 3rd schedule. Question number 10. Who decides the office of prophet? The answer is President and Governor decide the office of prophet, and the under Article 102 mentioned the decision of the President shall be final. Question number 11. The vacancy of the office of the President of India must be filled up within the period of? The answer is 6 months. The vacancy of the office of the President of India must be filled up within 6 months. Question number 12. Who has the right to seek advisory opinion of the Supreme Court of India on any question of law? The answer is President. President has the right to seek advisory opinion of the Supreme Court of India. Question number 13. The President of India enjoys how many types of emergency power? Right answer is 3 types. The president can declare three types of emergencies: national, state, and financial, under Article 352 and 356 and 360, in addition to promulgating ordinance under Article 123. Question number 14. Who held the office of the Vice President of India for 2 consecutive terms? The answer is Dr. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan held the office of the Vice President of India for 2 consecutive. Question number 15. In case the President wishes to resign, to whom is he to address his resignation letter? The answer is Vice President. According to Article 56, also provided that the President may, by writing under his hand, address to the Vice President. Number 16. The value of votes of electors of Electoral College of the President is basically determined on the basis of population of states as per the which census data. The right answer is Census of India 1971. The 1971 census is used and will continue to be used until 2026. Question number 17. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide disputes between the centre and the states falls under which jurisdiction? The answer is original jurisdiction. Question number 18. Who shall have the right of ordinance in all courts in the territory of India in performance of his duties? The answer is Attorney General. The Attorney General has the right of ordinance in all courts in the territory of India in performance of his duties. Question number 19. Up to what age can the judges of Supreme Court serve? The answer is the judge of Supreme Court can serve up to 65 years of age. Question number 20. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the institution of Panchayati Raj? The answer is the Article 40 of the Indian Constitution provides for the institution of Panchayati Raj. Question number 21. When was the Panchayati Raj system introduced in India? The answer is in the year of 1959. The Panchayati Raj system was introduced in India. Question number 22. Distribution of power between union and state government policy borrowed from which nation? The answer is Canada. Distribution of power between union and state government policy borrowed from Canada. Question number 23. The idea of single citizenship taken from which country? The answer is Britain. The idea of single citizenship taken from Britain. Question number 24. Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by whom? The answer is the Chief Justice and the judges of the High Courts are to be appointed by the President under Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution. Question number 25. Who was the President of India at the time of proclamation of emergency in the year 1976? The answer is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Question number 26. Who was the first Law Minister of India? The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first Law Minister of India. Question number 27. Department of Border Management is a department of which Union Minister? The answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Question number 28. Department of Official Language is subordinate office of which ministry? The answer is Ministry of Home Affairs. Question number 29. How many times can the President of India seek re-election to his post? The answer is any numbers of time the President of India can seek re-election to his post. Question number 30. What are the two provisions of the Constitution of India that most clearly express the power of judicial review? The answer is Article 32 and Article 226 of the Constitution of India that most clearly express the power of judicial review.